In this video, we'll discuss how to create custom markers in Inkscape. For example, let's say we have these three objects, and we want to use them as markers along a path. To do so, we need to convert each of these objects into a marker. For this, select each object one by one, go to the Object menu, and choose Objects to Marker. Each time you convert an object to a marker, the original object will be removed from the canvas. Now, suppose we want to apply those custom markers to this path. First, select the path, and open the Fill and Stroke panel. Then, go to the Stroke Style tab, and open the drop-down under Mid Markers. Here, you'll see that our custom objects are now available as markers. Let's select the flower marker for the mid marker. As you can see, it gets applied to all the nodes along the path, except the start and end points. The size looks too big right now, so we'll adjust it to fit better. To learn more about the Fill and Stroke panel and its options in detail, check out its tutorial. Its link is in the description. Similarly, we'll use this second object as the start marker and adjust its size and position as needed. And finally, we'll apply the third object as the end marker and again make necessary adjustments to its size and position.